How to create wedding invitation on Canva app fast and easy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a wedding invitation fast with Canva app in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Canva app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go down below and click on this icon. After you click on it, search for the card option right here or search for it in the search bar and then click on it. Wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page. Now in this page you will find many templates and search for wedding cards here, and here you go. Now here is the wedding cards. You can click on any of these like this and edit it as you want just by clicking on the text like this, and then click download here and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.